chance you can get your hands on one of my knives for only 15 euros while supporting the developments of my project here. Stick around if you want to see how. Last year I started living in my own tiny house after building it myself. Ideas in me to spread my message through inviting other people and artists within my atmosphere arose. This summer I took the first steps and started constructing the first residency, the Rhythmical Residency. A space which mainly will be used for inviting musicians. Until now I funded the whole project with the sales of my knives. Now though you can help me in another way. This is how it works. Through my website you can buy a 15 euro ticket which always contains a 10% discount code. There will be a total of 800 tickets from which a few winners will be picked. I will be giving away quite some prizes, including 4 chef's knives, 4 Kiridashi knives and a bunch of hand-printed t-shirts. All gained funds will directly flow in the further developments of this space. There's still another way you can help me out, something all of you can do. Over the years I built my business, which completely rolled on my appearance on social media. The algorithms though make it hard to maintain good exposure. Advertising is made impossible for me due to the fact that I sell knives, which gets banned by shitty regulations. A simple way of helping and an immense act of support is simply by sharing this video. Thanks for all the love and support last year and good luck with winning.
Each second of my life will end me in trouble. Don't let your conscience get you down. You know that, brother. Time after time